In this video, I'll show you how to find Maroo in Warframe. All you have to do is access the navigation, and then within the navigation, go to the Mars planet. And then from here, you should see this Maroo Bazaar. So click on it or select it. And then once you get to the bazaar, you can simply go straight, or let me just show you when we go straight. You can simply find her here. Here she is.
You trading, or are you looking to pull some endo from Iatan treasures?
Alternatively, you can press and hold the Q button and then select Maroo.
If you're looking for Maroo's Bazaar, you've come to the right place.
And you should get her from here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.